Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the topic blood relations. So in this topic, first we will discuss about some basic points related to this topic, and then we will discuss about how many types of questions are there in this topic and how to solve all types of questions related to blood relations. Okay, so we will discuss all these points in our first session of blood relations topic. Okay, so today our topic is blood relations, friends. Okay, so blood relations, everybody is having some blood relations, right? So definitely all of us having some relationships, right? So basic relationships are there in everybody's life. Okay, so that means first, in case if you want to solve questions related to blood relations topic, definitely all of you must have to know about some basic blood relations. That means the basic relationships. Okay, so in which way we are calling our relatives. Okay, so definitely we need to know about that information. And then so here definitely I am using some basic symbols to represent genders. Okay, so our relationships. Okay, so here I am using some basic symbols, friends. Okay, so by using symbols, so for example, so I am using some symbols to represent some relationships. In case if you want to use any other symbols in that place, there is no problem with that. Okay, that is your wish, clearly. But here first I am taking some basic symbols related to some basic relationships. So definitely I am using only those symbols for all my topic. Okay, that means for all questions explanation. Okay, so that means completely for this topic I am using same symbols, friends. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, then so here first we need to know about how many types of questions are there in this topic. Okay, so our topic is blood relations, right? So in this blood relations topic we are having three different types of questions are there. Okay, so we are having three types of questions. So my first type of question is, okay, so my first type is so puzzle type questions. Okay, puzzle type questions are there. And then second type is coded type questions, and then third type is pointing form. Okay, third type is pointing form. So here in blood relations topic we are having three different types of questions. So first type of question is puzzle type question, then coded type question, and pointing form question. Okay, so what is the difference in between these all types of questions, friends? Okay, first we must have to know about that, right? So that means how to find out the given question is related to which type of questions. Okay, so definitely we need to know about that, right? So in case in your examination if you are having some question related to blood relations topic, okay, so first we need to know about that question is which type of question. Okay, so definitely we must have to know about that. If in case if the given question is puzzle type question, we are using some different process to solve the question. Okay, and in case if you are having a pointing form question is there, we are using some other technique to solve these type of question. That means solving method is different for all types of questions. Okay, but sometimes we are using same model also. Okay, that depends on question information only. Okay, so first we need to know about types of questions, right? So we are having only three different types of questions are there: puzzle type question, coded type question, and then pointing form question. So how to find out the given question is puzzle type question. Okay, so in case if you are having more than two statements of information in your question, okay, if you are having more than two statements of information in your question, so definitely the type of question is a puzzle type question. Okay, so more than two statements. Okay, more than two statements are there, so that is definitely puzzle type questions. Okay, so in case so first puzzle means a paragraph information, friends. Okay, so but generally we assume a paragraph means if more than two lines are there, that is the paragraph. So but here in case if you are having single line information or two or three lines of information, we need to observe that how many sentences are there in that question. Okay, so here we are having, in case if you are having more than two statements are there, so definitely that question is related to puzzle type question. Okay, then how to find out the given question is coded type question. Okay, so coded type question means In case if you are having relationships in the form of codes, that is coded type question, friends. Okay, so complete relationships given in the form of codes. Okay, so for example, in case if they mention information like this, okay, A plus B means A is brother of B. A is brother of B. So here what is the relation between A and B? So A is brother of B, right? That means this plus indicates this brother relation, friends. Okay, so plus indicates brother relation. So A plus B means A is brother of B. So this is a coded type question. Okay, so in this coded type question, so plus indicates a brother relation. So A plus B means A is brother of B. Okay, so in this way we are having complete information in coded type questions. Okay, in case if you are having complete information in the form of these codes, for example, codes means plus, minus, at the rate, plus, percentile and dollar symbol, any symbol is there. Okay, so in case if they mention relationships in the form of codes, so definitely that is a coded type question, right? Yes, then move to next model. So here our next model is pointing form. Okay, so in pointing form, okay, so how to find out the given question is a pointing form or not? So in case if you are having pointing form question, so we are having some keywords are there, otherwise, so pointing form question means definitely we need some conversation between two persons, friends. Okay, so in case if our question like conversation between two persons, definitely that question is related to pointing form. Okay, so in case if you are having conversation between two persons, okay, so definitely that question is related to pointing form. Sometimes we are using keywords also, so those keywords are, in case in your question if you are having these keywords are there, definitely that question is related to pointing form, and those keywords are pointing, looking, say, said, asking, told. Okay, so all these type of codes are there, that means keys are there. Okay, key points. Okay, so in case if you are having pointing form question, so definitely in that question we need some conversation between two persons, otherwise definitely we need some basic key points, friends. Okay, so in case if you are having these type of keywords in your question, so definitely that question is related to pointing form question. Okay, in this way first we need to find out the given question is which type of question. Okay, so that is the first point. Okay, so when you are solving questions related to blood relations, first we need to find out the given question is which type of question. Okay, then after finding that, so what we will do, so then we will discuss about that. Yes, in case first what is the difference between these types of questions? So okay, so question format is different, so in this way. So but in case if you want to solve question related to puzzle type, definitely we must have to know about some basic point related to this puzzle type. So when we are solving question related to puzzle type, so at that time we cannot determine, okay, we cannot determine the gender, we cannot determine the gender based on names, okay. So just observe here, we cannot determine the gender based on names. So in case if you are having puzzle type question is there, so for those type of questions we cannot determine the gender based on names. Okay, so that is the main point. Then in case if you are solving question related to pointing form question, at that time we can determine, okay, we can determine the gender based on names. Okay, so in case if you are solving question related to pointing form, at that time there is no problem with gender, friends. That means we can determine the gender based on names, there is no problem with that, right? Yes, in case if you are solving question related to puzzle type, at that time we cannot determine the gender based on names. Okay, then coded type question, we are not having any rules, friends. Okay, so then, so in case if you know these 2 points related to pointing form and puzzle type question, then for remaining, that means when we are solving question related to blood relations, all 3 types of questions, so at the time we are using same process, but sometimes we are using some different process to solve pointing form questions. Okay, but for puzzle type and coded type we are using same method, friends. Okay, yes, but generally we are using which type of process to solve these type of questions. Okay, so everybody is eagerly waiting to know about that, right? Yes, so that is, we are using family tree diagram, friends. Okay, so to draw family tree diagram, by using the diagram we need to know about answers. Okay, we need to know about complete question information. Okay, so by using complete question information we must have to draw a family tree diagram first. Okay, so how to draw family tree diagram? Yes, so in case if you want to draw a family tree diagram, definitely we must have to know about information related to generations and symbols. Okay, that means symbols means which symbol is used for which relationship. That means already we know. Okay, already we are discussing about some point related to symbols, right? So that is, I am using some basic symbols to represent some basic relationships, right? So definitely to draw the family tree diagram we are using generations and then symbols also. Okay, symbols to represent relationships. Okay, by using these 2 we are drawing our family tree diagram, friends. Okay, yes, so then which symbols we are using, definitely we must have to know about that, right? Yes, so yes, I am using plus symbol for males. Okay, plus symbol for males, then minus symbol for females. Okay, then I am using is equal symbol for siblings, is equal symbol for siblings, and then I am using equating symbol for couple. Okay, so here just observe here, simply I am taking only 4 symbols, friends, only 4 symbols. So I am using plus symbol for males, minus symbol for females, is equal symbol for siblings, and equating symbol for couples. Okay, so by using these symbols and by using generation we need to draw a family tree diagram. Okay, by using the question information. Okay, so then just tell me, so how many generations are there in everybody's life? Okay, so yes, so I think all of you know, so definitely we are having so many generations are there in everybody's life, right? Yes, so all of us are having so many generations in our life, but in this topic I am using only 3 generations. Okay, I am using only 3 generations, but in case if you are having any other generation persons are there, so no problem with that. We need just to understand the question, that means to understand how to draw family tree diagram we are using 3 generations. But in case if in our question if you are having 4 generations person related information is there, no problem. In case if you know how to draw diagram by using generations and symbols, then you are not getting any problem with that. Okay, so simply we need to draw draw a family tree diagram by using the information and generations and symbols, friends. Okay, there is no problem with that. Okay, but okay, so how to take generations? Okay, how to take those 3 generations? Okay, so just observe here. So here first I am taking first generation, and then I am taking second generation, and next third generation. Okay, yes, so third generation. So I am taking in this way. That means first generation is the oldest generation, friends. Okay, first generation is the oldest generation. So oldest generation means we are having our grandparents. Okay, so grandparents means grandfather, grandmother, and sibling of our grandfather and grandmother, and cousins of our grandfather and grandmother, right? So we are having all these persons in our first generation. Okay, so in oldest generation means, so we need to take grandparents, right? Then we are having second generation, friends. Okay, second generation. So in that second generation, that is the middle generation, that means after our grandparents we are having in next generation we are having our parents, right? Yes, so here we need to take parents. okay, parents and siblings of these parents, siblings of these parents and cousins of these parents, okay. Yes, so we need to take our parents and our parents siblings and our parents cousins in our second generation, friends, okay. That is the process. Yeah, I'm sorry. Then in third generation, okay, so we need to observe a third generation. In third generation, that is the present generation, friends. That means we all of us are in our present generation only. That means in third generation. So in third generation, we are having we and our siblings and our cousins, right? So all of we are included in third generation. That is the present generation, okay. So third generation is the present generation. Okay, third generation is the present generation, right? So we are having only 3 generations, so we need to consider only 3 generations. So in first generation we are having oldest, that means the oldest generation means we are having our grandparents, okay. Then in second generation we are having our parents, and in third generation we are having our siblings and our cousins and we, okay. Then in case in your question information, if you are having parents of your grandparents, okay, parents of your grandparents, then we need to take above. So parents of grandparents are in before generation, okay. Then in case if you are having our kids, okay, that means we are in third generation, right? So in case if you are having our kids, so that means we are parents at that time, okay. So that means our kids are in our next generation, right? So we need to take in next generation, okay. So that is the process, friends, okay. So by using these symbols and by using these generation related information, we need to draw a family tree diagram for the given question information first. Then by using the diagram, we need to solve the question, okay. We need to find out which answer is suitable for our question, okay. That is the process, right? Yes. Then before starting our session, so definitely we must have to know about some other point, that is, yes, relationships, okay, relationships. So definitely we must have to know about relations, friends, okay. So but all of you know some relationships, right? But we are using some different languages, friends, okay. So some persons are using Telugu language, okay, and some others are using English, and some others are using Hindi, and some other persons are using Kannada, and some other persons are using Tamil. So in case if you are using any language, you know relationships in that language, right? So that means how to call relatives in that language, you know that, right? But for blood relations topic, so definitely in case if you are having English paper in your examination, so definitely we need to take only English blood relations. That means in English language, so what we are calling our relatives, that is the that is used only, okay. That means we are not using any Telugu relationships or any other language relationships, friends. We need to use only English relationships, okay. So definitely we are having some differences between our Telugu information and English relationships, okay. In Telugu and English we are having some differences, friends, okay. So that's why definitely we need to discuss about some basic relationships in English language, okay. Then yes, we'll go further. Yes, okay. So just see here. So we are having some basic relationships, right? Yes. So first I am taking the basic relationship is siblings, okay. So what is mean by siblings? Okay, so first I am taking siblings. So definitely all of you must have to know about these basic relationships, friends, okay. Definitely you need to remember all these, okay. So siblings, so siblings means brother or sister, okay, brother or sister. So here definitely you must have to take only your own blood relationship, friends, okay, not any cousins or any other persons, okay. So definitely we need to take only our own blood relation, that means our own brother or own sister, okay. Yes, those are siblings. Then Second one is cousins. Okay, cousins. So our uncle or aunt's children. Okay, uncle or aunt children. Okay, our uncle or aunt's children are called as cousins, friends. Okay, so siblings means brother or sister, and cousins means uncle or aunt's children. Okay, then third one, spouse. Okay, spouse. So spouse means wife or husband. Okay, wife or husband. That means life partner. Okay, in case if you are female person, so your husband is your spouse. Okay, in case if you are male person, your wife is your spouse. Okay, so that is the information here. Okay, spouse means wife or husband. Okay, then yes, so here I want to take grandfather. Okay, grandfather. So grandfather means we are having two grandfathers, friends. Our father's father. Okay, so father's father is a grandfather, and our mother's father. Okay, mother's father is also grandfather. Okay, our father's father or mother's father is our grandfather. Okay, then yes, so here I am taking grandmother. Okay, so grandmother means our father's mother or mother's mother. Okay, so grandmother means our father's mother or mother's mother, friends. Okay, then we need to take next one. So here I am taking okay, so just tell me, friends, what is the difference between maternal relationships and paternal relationships? So we are having two grandfathers in our life, means definitely one grandfather is maternal grandfather and other grandfather is paternal grandfather. What is the difference between these maternal and paternal? Okay, so we need to take that. Sorry. Maternal relationship and paternal relationship. Okay, so in case if you are having mother side relationships are there, all those relationships are maternal relationships. In case if you are using father side relationship, all those relationships are paternal relationships. Okay, in case if you are using mother side relationships, all those are maternal relationships. In case if you are using father side relationships, definitely all those are paternal relationships, friends. For example, in case if your mother's father is your maternal grandfather, okay, your father's father is your paternal grandfather. Okay, so in case if you are having your mother's brother is there, okay, so mother's brother is your maternal uncle, your father's brother is your paternal uncle, friends. Okay, so in that way we need to take two types of relations. Okay, yes, then coming to here, so after grandmother we need to take okay, spouse completed, right? Then I want to take a father-in-law. So here I am taking in-law relationships. Okay, father-in-law. So when we are using in-law relationships, friends, so generally we are using normal relationships and in-laws relationships, right? So father-in-law, so generally father-in-law means uncle, right? So but which uncle? So after getting marriage, okay, first if for example, so if in case, okay, if I am unmarried person, okay, so I am an unmarried girl, so at that time my mother's brother is my uncle and my father's brother is also my uncle, right? Yes, but in case if I am getting married, then my husband's father is also my uncle, right? So but that uncle is my father-in-law. Okay, so why? Because that uncle, so in which way that person is my uncle. So after getting married, my husband's father, okay, so that means after getting married I am taking that relationship for me. Okay, that means after getting married, in case if you are getting any relationships, definitely all those relationships are in-laws relationships only. Okay, so that relationships comes by your marriage or any your sister or your brother's marriage. After getting your brother's marriage or after getting your sister's marriage or after getting your marriage, so then all those relationships are in-laws relationships only, not in general relationships. Okay, so in general way we are using uncle for our mother's brother or our father's brother. Okay, but we are using father-in-law relationship for our husband's father. For example, in case if you are male person, your wife's father is your father-in-law. Okay, your wife's father. So wife or husband means spouse, right? So that means here father-in-law means a spouse father. Okay, spouse father is father-in-law. That means if you are female, so your husband's father is your father-in-law. If you are male, your wife father is your father-in-law. Okay, that is the information that. Okay, so yes, so father-in-law means spouse father. Okay, spouse father. Then next one, mother-in-law. Okay, I am taking next one is mother-in-law. So mother-in-law means spouse mother. Okay, mother-in-law means spouse mother, friends. Okay, then we need next one. I am taking here brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. So brother-in-law means so in-laws, all in-laws relationships are we are taking after marriage only. So that is your marriage or your brother's or your sister's marriage anyway. So brother-in-law means spouse brother. Okay, so brother-in-law means spouse brother or sister's husband. Okay, sister's husband. Your sister's husband is also brother-in-law for you, right? So just observe here. So after getting your sister's marriage, you are getting some brother-in-law, right? Your sister's husband is your brother-in-law. Okay, yes, in that way also we need to take that. So by getting our marriage or our sister's marriage or our brother's marriage, we are getting in-laws relationships. Okay, so brother-in-law means spouse brother or sister's husband. Okay, yeah, then I want to take sister-in-law. Sister-in-law. Okay, so sister-in-law means spouse sister. Okay, spouse sister or brother's wife. Okay, brother's wife. Okay, so sister-in-law means our spouse sister or our brother's wife is also called as our sister-in-law, friends. Okay, yes, so this is the information related to some basic relationships, but we are having some more relationships. Okay, we need to discuss about that also. Okay, so here I am not having enough space, right? So that's why I am erasing all this information. Yes, so then next one is our 10th relationship is son-in-law. Okay, son-in-law. So son-in-law means a daughter's husband. Okay, daughter's husband. So son-in-law means daughter's husband, friends. Okay, so in case if you are having daughter, if your daughter getting married, then after marriage she is having some husband, right? So that means that husband is your son-in-law. Okay, then I want to take a daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Then daughter-in-law means son's wife. Okay, daughter-in-law means son's wife, friends. Then next one, so here we are having only 6 relationships related to in-laws. So first one is father-in-law, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law and son-in-law and daughter-in-law. Okay, so all these 6 relationships are related to in-laws only. Okay, then I want to take some other relationships. Okay, yes, so nephew, friends. Okay, this is also one of the important relationship. Okay, so nephew means brother or sisters. Okay, brother or sister's son. Okay, brother or sister's son. Then next one, niece. Okay, niece means brother or sister's daughter. Okay, brother or sister's daughter. Okay, brother or sister's daughter. Okay, so nephew means brother or sister's son, and niece means brother or sister's daughter, friends. So these all are related to our blood relations. Okay, basic relationships, friends. Okay, in case if you know all these basic relationships, and if you know some generations related information, how to draw a diagram, and if you know symbols, so that means symbols is your choice, friends. Definitely we are not using same symbols for all time, but here for all sessions I am using only those symbols, right? That means my complete explanation related to questions are indicated by using those symbols only. Okay, yes. Then but in case in general way, in case if you want to take any other symbols, there is no problem with that, you need to choose that, right? Yes. Okay, so in case if you know all these basic information related to blood relations, then you are not getting any problem when you are solving your questions related to blood relations, friends. Okay, this is the basic information. Yes, then we need to start our session. That means our first question related to this topic. Okay, yes. Okay, so then we need to start our session, friends. Our first question. Okay, so here our first question is, so Y is father of B. Y has only 2 children. Okay, Y is the father of B and Y has only 2 children. Then B is the brother of R, R is the daughter of A, X is the granddaughter of A, and S is the father of X. How is S related to B? Okay, how is S related to B? So just observe here. So here we are having some information related to one question, right? So this complete information, in case if you are observing this complete information, so this question is which type of question? First we need to find out that, right? So here we are having some information, right? So we are having more than 2 statements, friend, but here we are not having any conversation between 2 persons, and we are not having any codes to represent the relationships, right? So they are giving information in general way, but we are having more than 2 statements are there in this question. Okay, that means definitely this question is related to puzzle type, right? Yes. So for this puzzle type question, definitely we need to draw a basic diagram, right? So we need to draw a diagram. So first I want to start my question. So here first basic statement is Y is the father of B, right? So Y is father of B. So that means first we need to take that. So first I am taking Y is father of B. So right. So Y is father. So first just tell me, friends, the father means a male or female? Definitely male, right? So for males we are using with symbol, plus symbol, right? So I am taking plus symbol first. Okay, so then Y is the father of B. So father means before generation of child, right? So father means before generation, child means next generation. That means definitely Y is father of B means B is child of Y. That means I am taking B is in next generation of Y. Okay, so Y is father of B and B is a child of Y, right? Then but here just observe here we don't know the gender of B, friends. Okay, so here we know Y is father of B means Y gender is male, plus symbol. Okay, but we don't know the gender of B here. Okay, then Y has only 2 children. Okay, then Y has only 2 children. So that means already we are getting one child for Y. So but they mention clearly Y has only 2 children. That means we need to take only one chance to take any other child. Okay, that means we are already we are getting one child for Y. So we need to take only one chance for taking a child of Y, right? But we don't know the gender of these 2 children. Okay, then next B is the brother of R. Okay, person B is a brother. So B is brother means B gender is plus, right? So brother means male person, so gender is plus. So B is the brother of R. So brother means friends a sibling, right? So sibling means these two persons are siblings, so definitely we need to indicate with is equal symbol. And B is brother of R means definitely for siblings we are having same parents, right? So that means for R also definitely father is Y only. That means Y has two children, those two children are B and R, right? Then R is the daughter of A, okay? R is the daughter, friends. Daughter means female, right? So that's why I'm taking minus symbol for R. And R is the daughter of A. So R is the daughter of A means A is the parent of R. Okay, A is parent of R. So R is the daughter of A. So R is the child of A. So that's why I'm taking A is in before generation. But here we don't know A is a mother or father. Just observe here. So in case B and R are siblings, definitely for these two persons, two children, so definitely father is Y. But already we are having father for R, but they mention one person is parent of R. That means definitely that person is a female, that means a mother. So Y is father and A is mother means definitely these two persons are couples. Okay, for couple indication we are using equating symbol. Okay, equating symbol. That means Y is father of both B and R, and A is also mother of both B and R. So these two persons are siblings means definitely for these two persons father and mother are same. Okay, so Y is father and A is mother. Okay, the next information, X is the granddaughter of A. Okay, X is the granddaughter of A. Okay, so X is the granddaughter means that granddaughter is in third generation, right? So already A is in first generation. Okay, A is in first generation means granddaughter is in third generation. Okay, so X is the granddaughter, that means a female, so minus. But just observe here, friends, if X is the child of B, at that time X is granddaughter of A. If X is a child of R, at that time also X is granddaughter of A only. That means here we know X is granddaughter of A, only that information, but we don't know X is child of B or R, we don't know exactly. That's why I'm not taking any indication here, but just I'm taking X is in third generation. Okay, just I'm taking what information given in our question, I want to take only that information. Okay, so I'm not implementing any information here, and definitely we are not taking any implementations and any further movements without giving information in our question, friends. Okay, that is very important for puzzle type questions. Okay, then we are having next information, S is father of X. Okay, so S is the father of X, clearly they mention S is the father of X. Okay, just observe here. So here already we know B gender, that is a plus, right? So in case if X is a child of B, at that time already they are giving S is father of X. So B is a plus and S is also plus. That is not possible, right? So both fathers, that means one person is not having two fathers, right? Definitely one person, definitely we need to take only one father, right? So that means X is a child of R by using that. So here information is S is father of X. So S is father of X and R is a mother of X. That means these two persons are couples. Okay, equating symbol, we need to use the equating symbol. Okay, couples. Then next one, how is, okay, so here we are having our final question, how is S related to B? Okay, how is S related to B? So what's the relation between S and B, friends? How is S related to B? So just observe here. So S wife is R, that means S spouse, spouse brother. Okay, spouse brother is a brother-in-law of S, and S is a brother of S is also brother-in-law of B. That means our answer is brother-in-law, friends. Okay, so B is brother-in-law of S and S is also same brother-in-law of B. So our answer is brother-in-law. So in this way we need to solve these type of questions. Okay, then move to our next question. Yes, here we are having our second question. Akash is a son of Arun's father's sister. Okay, so Akash is a son of Arun's father's sister, and Praveen is son of Tanya, who is mother of Vijay and grandmother of Arun. Yes, here also we are having some information, right? So this question also related to puzzle type question. Okay, so then we need to use definitely a family tree diagram. So first we need to draw a family tree diagram for this question. So Akash is son of Arun's father's sister, right? So first, okay, Akash is the son of which person, friends? So Arun's father's son. Okay, that means first we need to take Arun's father. Okay, so first I am taking Arun. So then I want to take Arun's father. So father means we don't know the name of Arun's father. So that's why I am taking just plus symbol. So plus symbol means father. Okay, so Arun's father's sister. So we need to take sister here. Okay, sister means minus symbol. Okay, so here Arun father sister. Okay, Arun's father sister. Then Akash is the son of Arun's father's sister. That means here we need to take Akash. Okay, so Akash is the son of. Okay, Akash is the son, right? So we know the gender here. So plus Akash is the son means a plus symbol. But here Arun's father's sister. So we don't know the gender of Arun here, right? So they are not mentioned any clear information related to gender of Arun. So that's why we cannot take gender related to Arun. Okay. So Arun's father's sister and Akash is the son. So I am taking Akash is a plus symbol. Okay. Then Praveen is son of Tanya, and Tanya who is mother of Vijay. Okay. And grandmother of Arun, right? So just observe here, Praveen is son of Tanya, friends. Okay, Praveen is son of Tanya. Then who is the Tanya? So Tanya who is mother of Vijay, and at the same time Tanya is grandmother of Arun. Okay, Tanya is grandmother of Arun, friends. Okay, so grandmother means maybe she is Arun's father's mother or mother's mother, we don't know exactly, but that person is in first generation, right? So that means before generation. So Tanya is grandmother of Arun. So but I am not indicating this plus symbol to Tanya, not indicating with any line, right? So just Tanya is grandmother of Arun, and then before that Tanya who is mother of Vijay. Okay, Tanya is mother of Vijay. So Vijay, generally Vijay is a male name, right? But we don't know the gender here, but so just definitely we need to take chance, right? So that's why I am taking so this person name is Vijay. Okay, yes. So just observe here, Praveen is son of Tanya, right? So Praveen is son of Tanya, and Tanya who is mother of Vijay. Okay, so Praveen is a son of Tanya, friends. Okay, Tanya is having one more child, so that child name is Praveen. Okay, so maybe we don't know exactly. So Praveen is here and Vijay is here, we don't know exactly that information, right? So Praveen is son. Okay, Praveen is son means definitely plus, friends. Okay, so that means okay, we need to take in reverse way, right? So here already we are having plus symbol, right? So that's why I want to take Praveen here. Okay, Praveen is son, and then here I want to take Vijay, friends. Okay, why I am taking in reverse way? Just observe here. So Praveen is a son. So yes, here plus symbol for Praveen. So Praveen is a son of Tanya, and Tanya who is mother of Vijay. Tanya is mother of Vijay, and Tanya is a grandmother of Arun, right? Yes. So clearly satisfied. Then Harish is father of Nikila and grandfather of Akash. Okay, Harish is the father of Nikila. Okay, so Harish. So we need father of Nikila and grandfather of Akash, friends. So here we are having Akash means definitely Akash grandfather is in first generation. So we need to take Harish here only. Okay, so grandfather means a plus symbol. Okay, so Harish is a grandfather. Okay, so Harish is a father of Nikila, right? So here we are having female symbol, so Nikila is a female name, so that's why I'm taking in this way. Okay, so these two persons are siblings means these two persons parents are couples. Okay, so Praveen and Nikila are siblings, right? So Praveen mother is Tanya means definitely Nikila mother also Tanya only. Then Nikila father is Harish means definitely Praveen father name also Harish. Okay, so we need to take in this way, these two persons are couples. Then Tanya is wife of Harish. Yes, clearly they mentioned Tanya is wife of Harish. Then how is Akash related to Tanya? Then how is Akash related to Tanya? Akash related to Tanya. So Akash is a grandson of Tanya, right? So Akash is grandson of Tanya. Yes, we are having that answer in our options, grandson. So our answer is grandson, friends. Okay, so how is Akash related to Tanya? So Akash is grandson of Tanya. Okay, yes. Then we need to go for next question. Okay, then we need to move for next question. Then our next question is, yes, our question number 3 is, Avinash is son of Okay. So Avinash is son of Arun's father's sister, and Amar is son of Anita, who is mother of Vikas and grandmother of Arun. Then Harish is father of Navya and grandfather of Avinash. And Anita is wife of Harish, and how is Vikas wife related to Navya, right? Then we need to take same family tree diagram. Why? Because this is also same puzzle type question, friends. Okay, we need to take a diagram for this. So Avinash is son of Arun's father's sister. Okay, so first we need to take Arun's father. Okay, so Arun's father's sister. Okay, then Avinash is a son of Arun's father's sister. Arun's father's sister's son is Avinash. Okay. Okay, Avinash is the son of Arun's father's sister. Then Amar is the son of Anita. Okay, Amar is son of Anita. And who is that Anita? Anita, who is mother of Vikas and grandmother of Arun. Okay, so Anita, who is mother of Vikas and grandmother of Arun, right? So grandmother of Arun. So I want to take Anita here. Okay, so Anita is grandmother, so female. So but we don't know Anita is mother of this male person or this person's wife's mother. We don't know exactly. That means Arun's mother's mother or father's mother. We don't know exactly. But in both ways we are getting same mother-in-law, right? Sorry. Grandmother, right? Yes. So here Anita, who is mother of Vikas and grandmother of Arun. So here I am taking Anita is grandmother of Arun, and before that Anita, who is mother of Vikas, right? So Anita is mother of Vikas. So in case if Vikas is a male name, right? So but we don't know definitely Vikas is here this male person or any other person, we don't know. So I am taking separately. Okay. Why? Because here we don't know the gender of Vikas, friends. Okay, so Anita, who is mother of Vikas, but we don't know the gender of Vikas. Okay, so Vikas is generally a male name, but why we are not taking gender? So already we are discussing about basic points, friends. If in case if you are doing a puzzle type questions, we cannot determine the gender based on names, right? So here Vikas is a male name in general way, but we don't know the gender in this question, right? So yes, we cannot take any gender related to Vikas. Then before that, Amar is son of Anita. So Amar is a son of Anita. So here we are having a plus symbol. So I am taking Amar is son of Anita. Okay, Amar is son of Anita. Okay, so for example, in case if you are getting two chances, friends, so here already we are discussing about this plus person. So Anita is mother of this plus person or mother of Arun's mother's mother. We don't know exactly, right? But out of two chances here, they are not mentioned mother related to Arun, right? So we are having only father information in this question related to Arun. So that's why directly I want to take Anita is mother of Arun's father. Okay, so in this way we need to sort out our question information, right? So here we are not having mother information, that we are having only father related information related to Arun. So that's why directly I want to take Anita is mother of Arun's father, right? Then next information, Harish is father of Navya and grandfather of Avinash. Okay, Harish is grandfather of Avinash. Okay, so here we need to take Harish. Harish is grandfather of Avinash. Okay, in before generation, and then before that Harish is father of Navya. Yes, here we are having one female person in second generation. So I want to take Navya here. Okay, Harish is father of Navya and grandfather of Avinash. Yes, both conditions are satisfied. Then Anita is wife of Harish. Okay, then Anita is wife of Harish. Just observe here, if Anita is wife of Harish, so these are wife and husband, these two persons, right? So these two persons children are siblings, right? Yes, here we are having that relation only. Okay, then this is the complete diagram related to this question. Then our question, how is Vika's wife related to Navya? Okay, how is Vika's wife? Okay, so how is Vika's wife? In case if Vikas is a married person, Vika's wife means definitely Vikas is a male person, right? So how is Vika's wife related to Navya? So Vikas is brother of Navya, so brother's wife is a sister-in-law, right? So brother's wife is sister-in-law, but we are not having that answer in our question, so our answer is none of these, friends. Okay, so brother's wife is sister-in-law. Okay, that is the answer. Then move to next question. Okay, P and Q are siblings. A has two children and he is son of S, who is father-in-law of X. Okay, so here also we are having some more than 2 statements of information. Definitely that is related to puzzle type question, right? So first I want to take P and Q are siblings. Siblings means is equal symbol, right? So here I want to use is equal symbol. So P and Q are siblings, but we don't have the gender of P and Q. Okay, then next, A has 2 children and he is a son of S, right? So A has 2 children. So here this is separate information. So here they mention person A, but here we are not having that A, right? So that means we need to take a separate diagram for A. Okay, so A has 2 children, friends. Okay, A has 2 children and he is son of S, and he is son of S means A is son of S. Okay, A is a son of S. Then S, who is father-in-law of X. Okay, S is a father-in-law of X. Okay, S is father-in-law means for which person S is father-in-law? So S son's wife, for S son wife. So S is father-in-law. So here son is A. So that means here we need to take wife of A. So S is father-in-law of X, right? So here we need to take X. Okay, so S is a father-in-law of X. Okay, X husband's father, so father-in-law, right? Then X has only one son. Okay, so X has only one son. So here already we know A has 2 children. So 2 children means out of those 2 children, 2 are male or 2 are female, we don't know exactly, right? Or otherwise one is male, one is female, we don't know. But here we are having information, right? So these 2 persons are couples means definitely for these 2 persons we need to take same child, right? So X has only one son means definitely A also has only one son. So out of 2 children, one person is son means definitely the other person is a female, right? Then Q is not granddaughter of S. Okay, Q is not granddaughter of S. Okay, person Q is not granddaughter. Not granddaughter of S means maybe just observe here. So here we are having 2 siblings. Here we are having chance to take 2 persons in siblings place. So then we are having one more information, that is Q is not granddaughter of S. Q is not granddaughter means maybe Q is a grandson of S. Okay, then I want to take a P is a granddaughter of S. Okay, this is our diagram. Okay, in this way we need to satisfy complete information, friends. Okay, then our question, how is P related to S? How is P related to S? P is granddaughter of S. Okay, so our answer is option A. Okay, P is a granddaughter of S. Okay, then move to next question. Yes, P and Q are siblings. A has 2 children and he is son of S. S, who is father-in-law of X. X has only one son and Q is not granddaughter of S. Okay, so this is also same question, friends, but here question is different. Okay, our final question is different. Okay, so complete information except our final question for question number 4 and 5 are same. Then but here question is different, that is how is X related to A? So in previous one, so how is X related to A? So X is a wife of A, right? How is X related to A? That is our question. Okay, X is a wife of A, friends. Okay, that is the answer. X is wife of A. Okay, then move to next question. Next, okay, X is a grandson. Okay, X is a grandson of Y, who is not mother of A. D is wife of A, who is father of X. C is mother of Q, who is brother of A. How is Y related to Q? Okay, so here also we are having some statements of information. This question also related to same puzzle type question. Okay, so for these type of questions, first we need to take complete information in diagrammatic form. Okay, that means in picture form. So X is grandson of A, right? So X is a grandson, that means a plus. Grandson means a male person, right? So for males definitely we need to use the plus only. Okay, so X is grandson of A. Grandson means definitely we need to take some generation gap, right? So X is grandson of A, and then Y, who is not mother of A. Y is not mother of A means maybe Y is father of A, friends, right? So but we don't know A is parent of X or not, we don't know exactly. Okay, so just that's why I'm taking in A is at side place, right? Then D is wife of A. Okay, D is wife of A means definitely A is a male person and D is wife of A. Then next one, A, who is father of X. Okay, A is father of X. Okay, so here we are having clear information, A is father of X. Okay, so there is no problem with that. Okay, A is father of X. Then next one, C is mother of Q, friends. Okay, C is mother of Q and Q who is brother of A. So Q is brother of A. So siblings. Okay, siblings, for siblings we need to use is equal symbol. Q is brother of A and before that C is mother of Q, right? So C is mother of Q means already A, we know A and Q are siblings. So we know Y is father of A. So Y is father of A means Y is father of Q also, right? So that means definitely in mother place we are having C, right? That means C is mother of Q means mother of A also. That means these two persons, father and mother, are couples. Okay, so Y is father and C is mother. Then our question, how is Y related to Q? Okay, how is Y related to Q? So Y is the father of Q, friends. Okay, how is Y related to Q? So Y is father of Q. Okay, so our answer is father. Okay, that is the answer. Then move to next question. Yes, X is grandson of Y, who is not mother of A. Then D is wife of A, who is father of X. I think this is also similar to before question. D is wife of A, who is father of X, right? Yes, C is mother of Q and who is brother of A. How is X? Yes. So here also we are having same information, friends. Okay, for question number 6 and 7 we are having same information, but our final question is different. So that means we need to use the same picture for this question also. So our question is, how is X related to C? Okay, how is X related to C, friends? So X is a grandchild and a male, gender is a male. That means X is grandson of X is grandson of C and Y, right? So X is grandson of C, right? So yes, here here we are having that option. So grandson. So our answer is grandson, friends. Okay. Then move to next question. Yes, X is grandson of Y, who is not mother of A. D is wife of A, who is father of X. Yes, again we are having same information for question number 8 also, but here also same question is different. That question is, how is Q related to D? Okay, how is Q related to D? How is Q related to D, friends? So just observe here. So Q, okay, how is Q related to D? So here Q's brother's wife. So for Q's brother's wife, so Q is brother-in-law, and for example, how is Q related to D means Q is brother-in-law of D, and how is D related to Q means D is sister-in-law of Q, right? But our question is, how is Q related to D? So Q is brother-in-law of D, friends. Okay, so Q is brother-in-law. Okay, so yes, we are having that option answer in our fourth option, D. Option D, brother-in-law, is the correct answer. Then move to next question. Yes, here we are having some other different question related to same puzzle type question, friends. Okay, so for these type of questions, definitely first we need to take a family tree diagram, right? Yes, so P, Q, R, S, A, B and C are 6 family members. B is son of A, who is not the mother of B. Okay, first we need to take a diagram, right? So first, what is the information? P, Q, R, A, B and C are 6 family members. Okay, so totally we are having 6 persons in that family. Then B is a son of A, right? So B is son. Okay, B is son of A. So B is the son of A means B is child of A, right? So child, we need to take child is in next generation and parent is in before generation. Okay, B is a son of A and A who is not the mother of B. So A is not the mother of B, friends. Okay, A is not the mother means definitely we are having only one chance, that is father, right? Why? So B is the child of A means definitely A is parent of B, right? So parent but not mother, that means we are having only one chance, that is father, right? Then Q is brother of A. Okay, so Q is brother, friends. Brother means siblings. So for siblings we need to use is equal symbol for indication. So Q is brother, so brother means plus symbol. Okay, so for males we are using only plus symbols. Q is brother of A, right? Then C and A are a married couple. Okay, C and A are a married couple. So for couple indication we need to use equating symbol. So C and A are a married couple. So if C and A are a married couple, A is a plus means definitely C is female, right? So A and C are a married couple. Then R is daughter of C, friends. Okay, R is daughter of C. Just observe here, here B is son of A means definitely son of C also. That means then R is daughter of C. So R is daughter of C means definitely daughter of A also. Okay, then who is C, who is sister of P? Okay, C who is sister of P. Then C is a sister of P, friends. So we need to take siblings relation, that is indicated with is equal. So C is sister of P, but we don't know the relation, the gender of P, friends. Okay, here C is the sister of P means C is a female member, but we don't know P gender. Okay, C is a sister of P. Okay, then next, what's our question? How is B related to R? Okay, by using this diagram, how is B related to R? So B is brother of R. These two persons are siblings, right? So these two persons parents are same, right? C and A. That means definitely here these two persons are siblings. Okay, so how is B related to R means definitely B is brother of R. So our answer is a brother, friends. Okay, brother. Okay, then move to next question. Yes, here also we are having same question information for 10th question. Okay, but here we are having some other different question. Okay, how many female members are there in the family? Okay, so our question is how many female members are there in the family? Okay, so by using the diagram, we need to know about how many female members are there. So just observe here, friends, out of 6 members, they are not mentioned any information related to gender, right? Then here we don't know the gender of P. Okay, so P gender related, we are not having any information in our question. That means we don't know the gender of P. Okay, then our question is how many female members are there? If we don't know the gender of P means P is a male member or female member, we don't know, right? So out of 6 members, we cannot determine gender of one person, means we cannot determine exact number of females in that family, right? So that means our answer is can't be determined. Okay, our answer is can't be determined. Why? Because we don't know the gender of P means we cannot determine exact number of females in that family. Okay.